Electrical arcs zapping around the machine's power supply. Blue sparks flying, indicating massive energy consumption.
The machine cycle finishes. A massive blast of white steam shoots out from the release valves. Hissing visual, cloudy.
The elderly Cartesian worker pulls out a small metal cylinder that is still glowing red hot. He places it on a cooling rack. Heat radiation visible. The hot metal capsule is dropped into water. Explosive boiling, bubbles and steam rising instantly. Satisfying temperature shock.
A hammer cracking open the cooled metal shell. Inside, embedded in the center, is a rough, cloudy crystal. The rough diamond is picked up by tweezers, moving towards a laser machine.
A precise mechanical tap splits the diamond into two pieces along the laser line. Clean break. Satisfying visual. Two diamonds spinning against each other on a lathe. Friction creates a white powder. The rough shape turns round.
First contact.
A jeweler wipes the diamond with a cloth. Suddenly, a perfectly polished, mirror-like facet is revealed amidst the rough surface.
A digital angle gauge measuring the slope of the diamond facet. The numbers stop at exactly 57.5 degrees. Precision engineering.
Macro of the bottom tip, or cullet, of the diamond being polished. It looks like a perfect point. Symmetry focus.
Looking straight down into the diamond. As it turns, the hearts and arrows symmetrical pattern appears in the reflection.
Hidden between whites is the dime.
The perfectly cut diamond is placed gently into a velvet display box. The lid starts to close.
Silver tweezers placing the finished diamond into a gold ring setting. The metal prongs snap into place. Precision macro.
A single sharp beam of light cutting through darkness to hit the diamond. The stone glows instantly.
Top-down shot. The diamond casting a complex geometric shadow pattern on a white table. The shadow moves as the light moves.
Looking through the loop again, but this time the stone is flawless. No inclusions, just pure white light.
UV light hits the diamond, and it glows a soft fluorescent blue, indicating quality. Science meets luxury.
A soft chamois cloth wiping the diamond one last time. It leaves zero smudges, just perfection.
The dollar value, $150,000.